Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to edit a song in Suno AI, whether you want to tweak the lyrics, change the style or refine your sound. This step-by-step process will make it super easy. The first step is log into Suno AI. Here you can see this, the website of suno.com, and here you can search the Suno AI AI in your browser, then sign in using your account. You can use Google, Discord or email login and open your song projects from the dashboard. Here you can see this, the dashboards on the left corner. Then click on the song you want to edit. If it's something you just generated, you can find it in the recent creation tab. Here you can see this, click the create tab. I have created one song, and here you can see this, the options are given. Choose your edit mode. Suno AI usually gives you options like regenerate with change, adjust style, lyrics or mood. Here you can see this on the right hand side, lyrics are here, and edit lyrics, replace or tweak certain words and lines. Here you can change the style, then song title, workspace. If you want to change the lyrics, simply modify the text in the lyrics edit. And now here you can see this, the options extend, use, style and lyrics. Then to change the music style, you can change the lyrics from here, and music style, pick a new genre or mood. Here you can see this, the mood options, and drop down menu like pop, rock, rap and acoustic, EDM. You can also adjust temp key or instrument focus to change how to track sound, and regenerates a preview. Once you have made change, click generate or remix again. Here you can see this, the remix and edit, then the create, make person, remaster and song or radio. Then Suno AI will create a new version of your song with your edits. Listen to the preview. If you are not happy, tweak it again until it's perfect. And when you are satisfied, click the download button to save the song as an MP3. Then you can see this, the download options. Here you can MP3, WAV audio, and also you can generate a video. You can also use the share button to post it directly on social media or send it to friends. And that's it. Editing your song in Suno AI is super simply. Just pick your track, change the parts you want and regenerate until you love the results. Hope you are enjoying this video, and if this is helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe the channels.